Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex and today's word is bone. Bone is an A2 level noun meaning the hard part of the skeleton. You know, those rigid parts that make up our bodies. It's what gives us our shape and allows us to move. Let's look at some synonyms. One synonym for bone is skeleton, as in the skeleton of a dinosaur was on display at the museum. Another synonym is osseous tissue, a more scientific term, like the doctor examined the osseous tissue on the X-ray. Now, for antonyms. While bone is rigid, an antonym could be cartilage, which is flexible tissue. For example, the ears are mainly made of cartilage. Another antonym could be muscle, which is a soft tissue, like he strained a muscle while lifting weights. In everyday life, we use bone in expressions like, I feel it in my bones, meaning you have a strong feeling about something. We also say someone has a funny bone when they have a sensitive spot on their elbow. For example, she broke her bone while skiing. Or the dog was chewing on a bone. Or he has good bones for modeling, which means someone has good facial structure. You might hear he is a bone of contention, which means that someone is the cause of a disagreement. To recap, bone is a noun referring to the hard part of the skeleton. We discussed synonyms like skeleton and osseous tissue, and antonyms like cartilage and muscle. We also saw it used in common expressions and sentences. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Please remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And remember, we want to see you create your own sentence about bone and share it as a comment under the video.